Are you ready to transform your baking game with a tool that delivers professional-grade results? This Lodge 10.25-inch cast-iron baker's skillet is not just a skillet. It's a versatile, heirloom-quality kitchen companion designed for bakers and cooks alike. Crafted in the USA with precision and care, this skillet offers unmatched durability, superior heat retention, and a naturally seasoned surface for effortless use. Let's explore what makes this skillet a must-have for any home or professional kitchen. Why choose the Lodge 10.25-inch baker's skillet? 1. Heritage craftsmanship. Over 125 years of cast iron excellence. 2. Consistent baking results. Perfect heat distribution for professional quality dishes. 3. Pre-seasoned surface. Ready to use out of the box for effortless cooking. 4. Unparalleled durability. Built to last generations without warping or bending. 5. Versatility at its best. Suitable for stovetops, ovens, and open flames. Unmatched quality and heritage. The Lodge 10.25-inch baker's skillet embodies over a century of American craftsmanship. Since 1896, Lodge has been producing high-quality cast-iron cookware in South Pittsburgh, TN. Made with iron and 100% vegetable oil, this skillet arrives seasoned and ready to use straight out of the box. Unlike other materials, cast iron won't dent, bend, or warp, ensuring it remains a reliable tool in your kitchen for years, even generations. Perfect for bakers and beyond, this skillet isn't just a cooking tool, it's a baker's dream. Its edge-to-edge, even heat distribution ensures consistent baking and browning, allowing you to achieve bakery-quality results right at home. Whether you're baking a golden cornbread, searing chicken, or crafting a gooey chocolate chip cookie skillet, this pan guarantees perfection every time. Seasoned and ready to use. Forget the hassle of seasoning your cast iron. This skillet comes pre-seasoned with 100% vegetable oil, creating a naturally non-stick surface. The more you use it, the better it gets. Its non-toxic seasoning means you can enjoy healthier cooking without chemicals or synthetic coatings. Versatile and durable design. The 10.25-inch size strikes the perfect balance between versatility and practicality. It's large enough for family-sized meals, yet compact enough for easy handling. The skillet's easy-to-grip handles provide stability while lifting and moving it around the kitchen. Oven-safe and stovetop compatible, it's designed to adapt to all your culinary needs, from roasting to baking to frying. Made in the USA with pride, Lodge cast iron cookware isn't just about performance. It's about supporting a legacy of American craftsmanship. This skillet is manufactured in the USA with a commitment to quality, ensuring every piece meets the highest standards of durability and reliability. Conclusion: your next kitchen upgrade awaits. The Lodge 10.25-inch cast iron baker's skillet is more than a piece of cookware. It's an investment in your culinary adventures. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a home cook looking to elevate your meals, this skillet delivers on every front. With its impeccable craftsmanship, unmatched durability, and versatile functionality, it's a tool you'll reach for time and time again. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.